Welcome back to Fish On, cuz. Dumping a few videos here. If you enjoy, hit the like. If you like, you might as well subscribe. Fish on, cuz.
Fish on, cuz. Whatever it is, big and it's fighting hard.
Nice.
So maybe a channel.
Look at that, one of the big monster football smallies.
That's what I'm hoping for.
Fish on, cuz.
Fish on, cuz.
Looks like you got a flathead there.
On a square bill. In the mouth.
That's a beauty. Too bad I didn't get to retrieve in. Technical difficulties, but
If you watch our channel, you're used to it.
right on. Fish on, cuz.
Fish on, cuz.
Fish on, cuz.
Fish on, cuz. Another smallie.
Net right here. Pretty good.
Lucky bait of the day. I
Nice.
lost the Rapala.
Little dude.
I think number 7 or 8. Smallie today. I broke my skunk thing on smallmouth. Say goodbye.
See ya.
What do you say, cuz? Fish on.
Fish on, cuz.
Scotty just nailed this monster.
He killed it
Mouth
too.
at Twin Creek.
Good one. I got him stuck for sure.
Look at that dog. Scott didn't get many today, but it looks like he got the biggest.
Jesus. There he goes.
Look at that big girl. We gotta swap because the sun's behind you. I don't want to eat it.
Did you turn on the video?
Yeah.
All right. Would you get a picture?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Peace on.
Fish on.
Fish on, cuz. Bye, people.
Goodbye, people.
Fish on, cuz.
Fish on. Big old smallmouth. Already jumped once. Not as big
Ooh,
as
I think
yours,
I
but
got
she's
that.
sweet.
Got that net right still over there with you. Woo! Fish on, cuz.
Fish on, cuz.
Throw that back to you.
Got me a big smallmouth.
Did pretty good today. A couple big smallies. Actually, a handful of smallies for cuz.
Got it. So.
Gary's killing them. Looks like a saw guy here. Figured out it was just hooked right there. Saw the canoe probably. Oh, dude, that looks like a big shovel head. Oh, man.
Catfish net.
Fish on, cuz.
Fish on.